Hi, I am Roxana from WPEstate, and in this video I'll show how to translate posts, pages, properties, agents, agencies and developers in WPResidence theme using the WPEstate Translate plugin. Once you edit your website languages, the next step is start translating your actual content. This workflow lets you create a separate language version of each post or page, edit it, and keep it linked to the original version. That means your English page, Spanish page, French page, or any other language version are connected as part of the same translation group. Before creating translations, make sure that your languages are already set up. The languages can be set up under WPEstate Translate section in Languages. Currently I have set two languages, the default one which is English and the second one Spanish. If you also want to use automatic translation, you must first configure a translation provider under WPEstate Translate automatic translations. The fastest way to create a translation is from WordPress list screen. Go to Posts, All Posts. The same workflow also works for pages, properties, agents, agencies and developers. In the list table, look for language column. The posts that have Add Spanish will require a translation, and the ones that have View Spanish are already translated. To create new translation, click Add Spanish. WPEstate Translate creates a new draft translation and opens it in the editor. When the translation is created, it is not an empty post. The plugin copies the original title, content, excerpt, featured image, attachments, page template, and custom fields. This gives you a complete starting point. From there, you can rewrite the content in the target language, adjust the title, edit the content, check the images, and make sure that everything is translated before publishing it. The copied content is only a starting point. You should always review and adapt it for the new language. When you are editing a post or a page, WPResidence adds a language badge at the top of the editor. This badge shows the current language you are editing. It helps you avoid editing the wrong version by mistake. For example, if you edit the Spanish version, the badge will also show that this content belongs to Spanish. If you configured an automatic translation provider, you can translate content directly inside the editor. WPEstate Translate supports providers such as OpenAI. When editing a translated version, you will see an auto-translate option. Click Auto-Translate. Wait for the provider to return the translation, then review the result. The plugin can update the title, content, excerpt, support its Elementor text blocks, selected meta fields, and taxonomy. Automatic translation is a huge time saver, but you still need to review the final content before publishing it. The translation is done. You can now publish the Spanish post. Now in the list, you will see the Spanish post with the Spanish flag and the source of the translation. Automatic translation works when you are editing a translated language version. If you are editing the default language version, the system treats it as the original post. In that case, the auto-translate area shows that this is the original post and no translation action is needed. But if you edit the Spanish post, you can see here the redo the translation button. The same workflow works beyond regular blog posts and pages. You can also translate WPResidence custom post type, including properties, agents, agencies, and developers. For a property, the translated version can include the translated title, description, excerpt, featured image, attachments, taxonomies, and custom fields. This is especially important for multi-language real estate website because visitors should be able to read property details, agent profiles, agency pages, and developer pages in their selected language. This is the process for translating post, properties, agent, agency, and developer pages. Before publishing a translated post or page, check the following. Make sure that the title is translated, review the main content, confirm that the featured image is correct, review taxonomies. If automatic translation was used, really read through the content before publishing. Then open in front end and confirm that the translated version displays correctly. That's how you translate posts and pages in WPResidence using WPEstate Translate. You can create translations directly from the post list, edit each language version separately, use automatic translation, and keep all versions connected to their original content. Thank you for watching, and not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.